Guys, please don't believe me and please don't believe my promises. Hey you. Yes, exactly you, my friend. Let me ask you one question. Will you buy my $50 bug bounty course or will you spend 5,000 rupees for my bug bounty course? Well, obviously, if you're gonna buy, you will have some questions, right? Okay, so imagine you placed your mind to buy my course, but you will have several questions. Will this instructor be a trustworthy guy? Can I understand this instructor teaching? Is it going to worth every penny or I'm going to lose my money? And finally, will this course will be full of theory dumps or will it include live practical hunting on live targets? Right? So this is the common question when you get to buy my $50 course. Well, that's where we created this AJAK Cyber Academy Bug Bounty Experience Pass. Exactly, you don't need to believe me, you don't believe my promises. What you're going to do is, you're going to decide on yourself whether this guy is worth it, whether this program will be worth it. Will I invest a very good amount of money in a bug bounty program? Is it full of bug bounty hunting or just a theory? Every question you will get answer from this AJAK Cyber Academy experience. Okay, just $4, which is $399 rupees. You will get 3.5 hours of my original bug bounty course program, which includes 200 minutes, right, 33 lessons, and you will get access to my introduction and my IDOR module. So you will get to know both theory and practical how this course has been designed. And that's where exactly you can decide whether to buy this course or not, guys. And guys, one more thing, you're not going to get any loss over here for this $4 or $399 rupees because this includes my IDOR module where the whole section is on live hunting and when the whole course is on live hunting, you can give it a watch and you can decide. Okay, so to enroll in this course, you can directly buy through this website by clicking on buy now button, or you can DM me through my WhatsApp number which is shown in the screen, or you can DM me through my Instagram account which is AJAK Cybersecurity Official or AJAK Cybersecurity Limited. Yes guys, so experience now, you guys decide later whether to buy this program. I'll see you inside my experience course. Cheers.